Okay, so today we will study about greenhouse effect and global warming. So let's first start with greenhouse effect. So let us first come to know about that what is greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is the process of warming of the earth's surface and its lower atmosphere by absorption of infrared radiations of long wavelength emitted out from the surface of the earth by greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, ozone, chlorofluorocarbons, etc. So, let us understand the process of greenhouse effect. First, the solar radiations coming from the sun have high energy radiations such as gamma rays, X-rays, UV rays, and also low energy radiations such as visible light, infrared radiations, and radio waves. High radiations are absorbed by the ozone layer surrounding the earth, while the infrared radiation of long wavelength are reflected back to the space by the layer of Earth's atmosphere that are ionosphere and polar ice caps. The solar radiations which travel through the atmosphere of the earth are absorbed by the clouds, earth's surface and seawater, due to which earth's surface gets heated up. Now, earth's surface radiations, infrared radiations of long wavelength, as the surface of cloud is opaque, so they prevent the long wavelength infrared radiations from escaping into the space and keeps the earth's surface warm. So this is our greenhouse effect, the exact mechanism of greenhouse effect. Now, here I have drawn some pictures to make you understand about the harmful effects of greenhouse. First is burning of fuels. Burning of fuels such as coal, petroleum, and natural gas produces the heating of the Earth's atmosphere and thus increases the greenhouse effect. Next is our deforestation, means cutting more and more trees. This also decreases the oxygen level and increases the carbon dioxide level, and hence it results in greenhouse effect. And next, it is increase in population. Due to increasing population, the human greed is also increasing day by day, and so we can face the harmful effects of greenhouse. And lastly, the industrial production, the chemical pesticides and fertilizers and many pollution produced from industries are resulting in greenhouse.